Okay, let's pretend we're playing a two-player game here. So each player gets 2 cubes. Yeah, they can set them anywhere they want on the board, any space. And the other person sets them anywhere they want. So you just start anywhere you want. Anybody can control all the things. So like you can move that one and that one, move that one and that one. But you only move 2 per turn. So let's get it going now. We have directional dice and we have regular dice. So we're just going to go ahead and roll all 4 of them. Let's take north because that'll show you a special rule. And let's take 1. You could take any 2 of them, but I just decided to take 1 of each on each turn. We're going to move a cube each die, if that makes sense. So we have a north, and you can see that north will give you 2 options. You can move right there, or you can move right there. We're just going to move right there. You can move northeast or northwest on north, south or southwest on south. But there's also northwest, southwest, all those cardinal directions. This is an 8-sided dice. Then you're going to do it with the other one. We chose 1. So we're going to just move 1 space. With the ones that you move with the directional, you can actually move 1 or 2 spaces. So if we started there and I got, let's say, north this time again, I can move in the northeast direction or the northwest direction, 1 up or 2 up, depending on what you like. And each turn should take about 30 seconds. So in a 2-player game, you're probably going to spend, to get all these, about an hour. If you play a 3-player game, it's going to be about an hour and a half, and a 4-player game is going to be about 2 hours, which isn't too bad. So what you do, you collect your color. So we moved on the red. Well, I'll collect red. Moved on the blue. Well, yeah, 1. So collect a blue. And if you collect 1 of each color, that'd be a purple here. Brick, water, wood, and ore. That's considered enough to get a free one. So if I collect 1 of each color, 4 blocks of different color, I can take any one I want. So I'll just take a water here. Once you get 5 of each color, that's what constitutes as getting a point. So you get 5 points for that. If you collect 5 of every color, as you do that, you're gonna collect enough to get 20 points from just the collection process. But once you get those 20 points, you get an additional 20 points for collecting 5 of each color. And of course, the game ends when all the blocks are taken. It's not going to equal exactly the same because, if I'm not mistaken, there's 52 of each block. So that's how I revamped the little tractor that could. And after this, turn goes to the clockwise player. And like I said, it should take an hour to play for 2 people, an hour and a half for 3 people, and 2 hours for 4 people.